In this video, I will show you how to disable the restricted mode on your YouTube Android app. Now, the restricted mode helps you to avoid the videos with potentially mature content. So if you don't want to see it, you will have to keep this on for any reason. If you want to disable the restricted mode in YouTube, you need to follow these guidelines. You need to click the avatar icon of your channel, and then from the menu you need to select the settings. In the settings, you will have to go to the journal tab. Within the journal, you need to come down, and here you will see by default my restricted mode is on, which means that it is filtering the videos with potentially mature content. But if I want to disable this, I just need to deselect this, and that's how you can disable or turn off the restricted mode on your YouTube Android app. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.